Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can unsave pins on Pinterest. So it's pretty simple. Now by unsaving pin, I'm going to delete it. And don't worry, if I delete a pin which is uploaded by another people, it is not going to be deleted from Pinterest. I can always search for it again. But if I delete a pin which I uploaded, it's not going to be available on Pinterest. So do not delete the pin which you created. But if you want to delete the pin which other created, you can do it. And it is called unsaving pin, okay? Click on your profile picture first and click on pins. Once you're in the pin section, do not click on created by you. If you click on created by you, it is going to show you all the pin which you created. So do not delete any one of this. So over here, these are all the pin which I have saved on my Pinterest profile. To unsave any one of them, I can click on it and click on the three dot at the top right of the picture and click on edit pin and choose delete pin. Click on delete and it'll be unsaved from your profile. But you can still search for it and find that pin, okay? So that is how you guys can unsave pin on Pinterest. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.